Hi, I'm Lisa from Surmulerum. We're all a bit lazy sometimes, and when you need something quick, it can be a game changer to have ready-made food on the shelf. One of my husband's go-to quick meals is beans on toast. I've been working on the recipe for baked beans for a while, and I was going to make this video about making homemade baked beans. But the recipe calls for ketchup, and we don't have any in the house, so let's make some. The baked beans video will have to wait till next time. Watch this space. And can I ask you to please take a minute to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already? It's completely free and it will really help getting our videos out to more people. And ding that little bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And if nothing else, give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. We are Andy and Lisa, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Surmulerum. I put 1 can of chopped tomatoes into my blender jug. Add half a cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I like to use Himalayan pink salt. And 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. I then blend it till it's very smooth. Pop it into a saucepan and heat it up on medium to high heat. I whisk it ever so often to prevent it from burning. When it reaches boiling, I set the timer to 35 minutes, but still stir every few minutes. We like our ketchup a bit thin, rather like a sauce, but if you like it thicker, let it boil without a lid until it thickens up more. When the time is up, or it is as thick as you like, take it off the heat and let it cool down before filling it into your jars. I got 3 half-pint jars out of this batch. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything,